If you're seeing a Gamma app timeout error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Gamma is trying to process too much at once, or when something in your browser is blocking the app from loading properly. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try right now, and most of them take only a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most common cause, and that is having an outline that is too large. If you paste in a huge block of raw data, a massive prompt, or try to generate something like a 30-slide presentation all at once, Gamma may time out because it goes beyond its normal processing window. The easiest fix is to shorten your outline and break your project into smaller pieces. Instead of asking Gamma to build everything in one go, divide the work into individual cards or smaller sections. For example, if you're making a presentation, generate a few slides at a time instead of the full deck. This gives the app less to process and usually helps it respond much faster. So if your project is large, simplify it first, then try generating again. Next, disable any ad blockers or browser extensions that might interfere with Gamma. Sometimes extensions that block scripts, cookies, pop-ups, or tracking can accidentally stop Gamma from loading correctly. If you have an ad blocker enabled, turn it off for the Gamma website and refresh the page. You can also temporarily disable other extensions like privacy tools, script blockers, or page modifiers just to see whether one of them is causing the timeout error. In many cases, Gamma works perfectly once those extensions are paused. If the problem still continues, the next thing to do is clear your local browser data. Over time, cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause apps like Gamma to get stuck or fail to load properly. Go to your browser settings, open the privacy or history section, and clear your cache and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Gamma. This refreshes the session and removes old data that may be causing the timeout. Once you've done those 3 steps, try loading Gamma again and test the same project one more time. In most cases, shortening the outline, disabling extensions, and clearing local data will solve the issue. If Gamma still times out, try using a different browser or restarting your computer, because sometimes the problem is tied to a temporary session issue rather than the app itself. The key is to reduce the load on Gamma and remove anything that may be blocking it from working normally. So, just to recap, make your outline smaller, turn off ad blockers and extensions, and clear your cache and cookies. These simple fixes solve a lot of Gamma timeout errors without needing anything technical. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.